everyone, it's Tammy with Wings of Love. I'm coming in with a GoodWill blue box mixed jewelry. I just received this. It's the one for $49.99. I wanted to see how good it was and if I was going to buy another one. But first I wanted to go over some things that was in the last jar box. This was an earring. We didn't find the match. This was gold. I thought it was gold tone. I did test it. I don't find any marks on it, but it tested 14 karat gold. So that'll go in my scrap. Also, this one tested sterling silver. I also don't have a match for that one. It's a pretty one though. And then this, don't have a match for. It was 14 karat gold. I'm sorry, sterling silver. It has the gold wash on it. And then this one was sterling silver also, no match. Then we had this one, which I really liked. I wish we would have found the match to that. That's sterling silver, no match. And this was sterling silver. This was sterling silver. None of these have matches. Sterling silver. I did test this. It's sterling silver, and so is the chain. And I believe the chain said 925 Italy, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, 925 Italy. So that was pretty. So you can see it right there. But that was a pretty one. And then I did clean this ring up a little bit more. Look how pretty it is. That's 925, and it has the little swan on it. Swarovski crystal. It's really pretty. Okay, and then this was also sterling. This was all beat up. And I haven't cleaned this one yet, but this was also sterling. Yeah, it's very dirty. So we found some sterling pieces. Some will go in the scrap lot because I don't have matches for them. So I'll be scrapping most of that. Okay, let's look and see what the mixed jewelry blue box looks like. I've never gotten one of these. This is exciting. Okay, I've already cut it here, so it'd be easier to open, but I did not open it. Let's see. Drum roll, please. Okay, that's my bill. A receipt. And then we have a bag with some envelopes. Another bag with an envelope. There's something in here. I'll put them back here and we'll open them one by one. Something in this one. Something pretty. I see Talbots on that one. Something silver. There's a bracelet. Something pretty in there and sparkly. Let's see if it's worth the $49.99. And then something in there. And that's it. There's a little something at the bottom. Isn't that one of those little origami things? It says Queen. Okay. Get rid of the box. Let's open. I want to open this bracelet we saw. The white one, I think it's a bracelet. You can tell. This looks pretty. Oh, that's nice. Toggle clasp. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, that looks really pretty. I like it. Okay, that's one. Let's open this one. Let's see what's in here. This is going to be a pretty short video. This is all we're going to open tonight. Okay, we got some pretty earrings. Looks like rhinestones or crystals. Those are crystals. And I believe this is gunmetal. Or is it sterling silver? Well, we'll look at the necklace. There's a necklace to go with it. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. That's different, unique. Very cool. It's on a wire. Oh, I like that. Yeah, that's nice. I can't tell if this is sterling. Let me see if I see anything on it. Yes, it says 925. So that's sterling. And the earrings to match are sterling. Very pretty. Okay, not bad, not bad. Let's see what we got in here. The orange bag. It says Talbots. Oh, it's a bracelet. Toggle clasp. That looks like a pine cone, a maple leaf, an acorn, and an oak leaf. Nice. Perfect for the fall. That is pretty. Yeah, I like that. And it's never been worn. Great shape. Didn't have a price on it. They probably took it off. Nice. Like it. Okay, let's open this one. This is fun, opening bags, envelopes. Okay. This is, got a little heart there. This is on a snake chain. Oh, does that go this way? Oh, it's got a little rhinestone in the middle. That's pretty. That one rhinestone looks like sterling. The chain doesn't. No, it's not marked, but it's pretty. Very dainty and delicate. I like it. Nice. Okay, what's in here? Something sparkly. Okay. Get that out of there. Oh, it's got a tag on it. It's Chico's. Yeah, Chico's makes really nice jewelry. Let's see. It's all tangled. Oh, my. Oh, I think it's long. I think it's something pretty long. Yes. Okay. Get it untangled. Okay, here's the clasp. And then we've got some rhinestone balls. Some more rhinestones. Let's see if I can get that untangled. They're all twisted around themselves. Okay, let's see if we get this time. Okay, we've got some more rhinestones. This is very long. It's pretty though. Very nice. Yeah, very, very nice. That's pretty. I like that one. Okay. Got something gold and beige in this one. Let's see. It's a necklace. Long. Gold tone. Amber color. beige. Oh, that's cute. Little squares. Oh, we've got some, that's glass. Yeah, looks like carnelian. Some butterscotch. Oh, there's all different ones. This is really cute. I like it. And it's long. Yeah, that's pretty. Nice. Very pretty. Well, these aren't too bad, guys. Pretty good box, I have to say. At least everything's pretty and shiny, and some of them are new. I guess that's the whole point of this box, huh? This feels like hematite. It's really heavy. It's knotted. There's no clasp. Oh, those are beautiful. Yeah, it just goes over your head. Very pretty. Gorgeous. Hematite pearls. Never seen that before. Very nice. Okay. Got one more of these, and then we've got some envelopes to open. Okay. Silver toggle bracelet. Oh, that's pretty. Wonder if that one's sterling. See anything? I don't see anything. Might just be silver tone. Let me look at it. I don't know. It looks sterling, actually. Yeah. I don't see anything right now, but I'll have to test it. I'll let y'all know in the next video. Okay? Because I'll test everything that says sterling or that looks sterling. Okay, we got an envelope. Ooh, exciting. Okay, let's see what's in this envelope. Oh, I got a ring. Oh, that's pretty. Could be a CZ or just a rhinestone. Very nice. Gold tone. Very pretty. I like it. Let me look at it. It has a name in it. It's 18 karat electroplate. Not bad. Means it'll stay nice for a while. Yeah. Very pretty. Okay, what else we got? Last one. Oh, there's a couple of envelopes in here too. 3. We got 3 envelopes. Okay, let's open this one first. Let's see what's in here. Earrings. Oh, these are cute. I think they're sterling silver. Mother of pearl. Looks like mother of pearl. Yeah. That's pretty. See on the back? Yeah, 925. Okay. Nice. Pretty earrings. Okay, we got 2 more. If I can get in here. Oh, we got a brooch. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, right there is worth it. That's worth the box right there. Oh, that is pretty. It says 925. Let me look. 925. It just says NE. But that's pretty. Onyx with marcasites. Nice. Alrighty. Last one. Clean that up. Last one. Let's see what's in here. I hope it's something good. Oh, another ring. This one's sterling. What is that? That's an opal. Fire opal? What do they call that? Rainbow opal? I forget. Oh, that's so pretty. That's beautiful. Oh, nice. Okay, let me look at it. Yeah, this is an older piece because it says sterling instead of 925. So that's really pretty. There's no initials besides sterling. It says sterling twice. That's really pretty. I like that one. Let's take these rings off, see if it fits. Yes. Nice. Okay. Well, I like the box. It was good. I don't know what you think. Leave some comments in the comment section and let me know what y'all thought about it. This one came from Lake Worth, Florida. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. It's free. Hit the bell so you could get more. You'll know where I'm going on. And hit the like button. Okay? Have a great night. Bye.